I'm like, no, I just memorized the answer, that's all. They're like, oh, you suck. I'm like, no, I don't suck. It's called I'm incredibly smart, and I was able to memorize the answer. That's a little fudgy.
Because you ate a whole spoon of fudge.
Mm.
You ate it, baby.
Correction, you forced it down my throat.
But you liked it.
Oh, come on, man. You like it. Stop hugging me. No, man, you like it. Okay, yeah, you're right. Oh, man, you gross. Hey, yo, Kiddo, what we doing when we get out of here? I don't know. Go get a taco? Sorry.
Oh, dude.
What, babe? You
Nothing.
called me dude.
Dude?
Dude! Remember the little turtle off of Finding Nemo? Dude! Squirt.
Yeah.
Dude! 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 Totally. It's like Zoncious. Ride the wave. I don't know what I'm doing. Where was I again?
I have no idea.
Whoa, you're recording me, aren't you?
Yeah!
Holy shit! Oh! This totally sucks. Okay. Alright, no, I'm not stoned for just all those crazy fans out there. What's the answer to 2 plus 2 again?
I do not know.
Wow. You don't know what 2 plus 2 is?
No, I do not know.
Okay, well, what do people say when they hit a golf ball? 4!
4?
Yeah.
Why 4?
4, because 2 plus 2 is 4. That's how I memorized it. That is how I remembered math, y'all. Yeah, so when I have kids, I'm going to tell them how to do their math by saying 2 plus 2 equals what? And then tell them to swing the golf club. Yes, that's how I'm going to teach my kids how to do basic math. The principles of 2 plus 2 are swing! But Dad, I forgot to yell 4. Good boy! You got the answer! My son knows math, and he also can hit a golf ball.
Oh.
Dude, golf sucks.
I do not like golf.
You're still
either.
recording me, aren't you?
No.
Son
What?
of I said son of a...
You motherfucker. What did you just call me?
What did you just call me? I did not even say the word. Don't go there. And you are still recording me.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. How many fingers does it take? Cut.
For
Okay.
what?
I don't know, but you might want to cut.
Why?
Cut.
Are you gonna fart?
I had no idea you were recording me, though.
Well, it wasn't that while ago.
Hmm?
It wasn't that big of a while.
I don't know.
Baby, I love you.
I love you, too. That iPod's gonna be like recording and it's gonna be going do.
Well.
Hmm?
Do you wanna go? Well, do you wanna go and watch a movie now?
Uh-huh.
What time? Since the church got canceled.
Mm-hmm. You're still recording.
Oh yeah. Sorry.